One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small, and the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's just small. And if you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall, tell them a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you the call. Go ask Alice when she's just tall. When the man on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you just had some kind of mushroom and your mind is moving low. Go ask Alice when I'll think she'll know. When logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, and the white knight is talking backwards, and the red queen's off with her head. Remember what the dormouse said.